Hey guys, what's up? So the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is scheduled to launch alongside the Galaxy Note 20, and we have some really interesting updates on the next foldable phone from Samsung. So according to Ross, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, the Galaxy Fold 2 will have a 7.59-inch size on the main display with a resolution of 2213 by 1689. Now, if you remember, the original Fold came with a 7.3-inch main display, so this one is slightly bigger with a better pixel density of 372 ppi compared to 362 on the last generation model. The display is also supposed to have a 120Hz refresh rate just like the Galaxy S20 series and will be Super AMOLED like the rest of premium Samsung phones. The outer display will be a 6.23-inch and a huge upgrade from the 4-inch present on the original Galaxy Fold, which was one of the sore points on an otherwise futuristic looking phone along with that notch, which I am happy to report is going away too. We will see a hole punch camera on both the front and the inside display similar to what we have on other Galaxy phones. According to Ross, Samsung wanted to go with an under-display camera solution, but the tech isn't ready yet, so we will have to wait till the next year to hopefully see it on the Galaxy S21. Some reports claim that the Galaxy Fold 2 won't have the S Pen built in, as Samsung wanted to make the phone lighter, but that was wrong. The Fold 2 will definitely have the S Pen, and it makes sense too. The Fold 2 with its 7.59-inch display is what we had called a tablet just a couple of years ago, so having a stylus for it makes sense. What remains to be seen is how will Samsung manage to make the main display work with the S Pen, given how easy it is to scratch the display on the Galaxy Z Flip with the ultra thin glass having a protective plastic layer on top. We already know that the camera setup on the phone is going to be similar to the Galaxy S20 Plus, and that is great news knowing how the Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera is facing so many problems, and also in terms of the cost. The S20 Ultra's 108 megapixel camera unit sure isn't cheap, so it can be put into an already super expensive phone. Samsung will keep the prices in check by giving users a 256GB variant of the phone this time around, which should help reduce the price since the original Fold came with just a 512GB variant. Apart from this, we can expect the phone to have the top of the line specs like a Snapdragon 865, 12 or 16GB of RAM, UFS 3 or 3.1 fast storage and more. That's it folks, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what do you think of the S Pen being a part of the Galaxy Fold 2. I think it should improve the phone's productivity quotient. Also consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.